You too, thanks.
Hey, buddy! What do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
Ah! Get back here! Resisting arrest! Open up! There's the police! Hot pursuit! Hot pursuit! Oh! Oh! Turn around! Oh! You're under arrest! And get your arm! You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand these rights as I've read them to you? Son, do you know why we brought you down here?
Well, it's just...
Don't you say squat, Mr. Humphrey. I'm your attorney. Just leave the talking to me. Dagnabbit! Thought we'd get some information out of him first. Alright, Mr. Humphrey. Tell him from top to bottom what happened.
So I really wanted a laptop and some candy.
Oh.
So I go to Walmart, go straight to the device section, get a laptop, really liked it, put it in my pants, go to the candy aisle, get some candy, some granola bars, walk out of the store, think I'm completely free. There's a cop there. I run to my house as fast as I can, get in, he busts through my back door for no apparent reason. Go to my room, hide, close the door, just busts and tackles me and arrests me. Isn't that illegal?
No.
Doesn't he need like a search warrant or something?
Why would he need a search warrant when he's in hot pursuit? Come on, man. Basic government. Jeez, I don't have to get creative on this case. Well, we're officially charging you with the theft of a laptop and the candy bars. Along with this charge, we're going to also set you with bail at $20,000. That's an excessive amount! That has to be illegal! Oh! This is a typo, it's my bad. It's actually $2,000.
Not that kind of money.
Don't worry. Let me get you through this. Alright? They have to go through trial before you go to jail, right? We have the bill of attainder to thank for that.
Who's Bill?
Dude. The bill of attainder just means that they can't convict you of a crime even if it's obvious that you've done it. You have to go through a trial. Alright? So you get to go through a trial.
I believe after seeing the security camera footage, there's definitely a case to be made here.
The evidence is perfect. He will have fun in a public trial.
Order in the court. In this trial, the defendant allegedly went to a local Walmart and stole a laptop and candy. And then upon leaving the store, an officer saw him with the laptop and candy clearly hanging out of his pants. Once the officer confronted him, the defendant allegedly ran away, where the officer gave chase all the way to his house to eventually make an arrest.
Now the judge will hear from both sides. First the plaintiff will go, and then the defendant in front of an impartial jury.
Officer, would you like to give me a rundown of exactly what happened that day?
Of course. As you know, I watched the defendant leave the Walmart with the laptop and candy clearly visible in his pants. I then proceeded to follow him to his house to make the arrest.
Would you like to provide any evidence for your case?
Of course, I have the security tape on this device right here.
Psst, Devin, he may ask you to be a witness. But remember, you don't have to testify against yourself.
I'd like to call a witness to the stand. They were working on the day of the crime.
Alright, well now hear the witness's testimony.
When the defendant came in, he seemed pretty nervous. Next thing I knew, he went running off with the candy, but I didn't see the laptop.
Alright, I think we have enough information to make a decision. Personally, I'd like to fine the defendant $1 million for being stupid, but I legally can't.
Given what we know, we find the defendant guilty of only the theft of the candy, as the witness in the tape only showed the candy being taken. Therefore, we assign the defendant 100 hours of community service.
Woohoo! No jail time for me.
I demand a retrial!
You can't. No mistakes have been made. They'd be putting you in double jeopardy.
Shucks.